Hi there. Today we are going to understand the difference between WordPress posts versus pages with the simple guide. Are you confused about when to click add new post versus add new pages in WordPress? You are not alone. While they might look similar, using them correctly is the secret to a professional website. Let's break it down in under 3 minutes. The core difference between WordPress pages and posts are content types, but they serve completely different purposes. Think of posts as your social media feed. They are dynamic and constantly updated. Pages, on the other hand, are like the physical walls of your house. They are static, timeless, and rarely change. Let's deep dive into the posts. Use posts for content that is regularly updated, like blog articles, news, or recipes, in which posts also cover dynamic content, and posts appear in reverse chronological order, meaning your newest post content stays at the top. Also, as we have previously discussed, that the regularly updated content is falls under post. Another option is amazing in the post. There is organization, which means this is where it gets cool. Post use categories and tags. Think of categories as your website's table of contents to group similar topics, while tags specific keywords that describe the details. For example, a dessert category might have tags like chocolate or cake. Some of the examples of the posts are blog articles, news pages, recipes, and reviews. And in the feature section, we have in the post feature image, drafting, and scheduling option. Now let's talk about pages. These are for your standalone timeless information. Example, your homepage, about us section, service page, and contact page. Unlike posts, pages do not use categories or tags. They are meant to live in your main navigation menu, so visitors can always find them. You can easily manage or create these directly in the WordPress site editor to see your changes in real time. To recap, if it's a news update or a story, make it a post. If it's information that stays the same, like your contact info, make it a page. The dashboard makes it easy. Just dive into our website dashboard. Just head to the left menu and select your type. If this cleared up the confusion, hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips. See you in the next one.